Hi friends, welcome to PWIP. I today wanted to actually give a quick roundup of rice exports.
The Union government is reviewing its position on export duty of white and brown rice.
Well, the country wants to make the rupee trade mechanism a global trend.
Today I am here to give you an information about Gulf foods happening in Dubai.
I want to share today something very interesting, which is about a bulk shipment which we did recently, which was end-to-end handled by PWIP's team.
I would like to go deeper and give you a little more insight as to how the market has changed and why this news is coming out, and it's a very valid news.
That exports of non-basmati rice stand banned with immediate effect.
And in US, people are panicking, going to supermarkets, buying tons and tons of rice. It's only the white rice which is banned from exports, my friends. So don't panic. So don't rush to supermarkets.
Export of parboiled rice will carry a 20% export duty.
And India is going to export up to 75,000 tons of non-basmati white rice to UAE.
This is regarding the $1,200 per ton MEP on basmati rice.
The government might be considering minimum export price cut for basmati rice.